Thursday Cooking with Kevin. This week we're going to bring you a recipe from the air fryer. We're going to do an air fryer pie. We're going to do a fruit pie. We're going to do blueberry. Only four ingredients we need. First, you need your can of fruit, whatever you want. Blueberry, cherry, strawberry, doesn't matter. Need some crescent rolls. Now, I couldn't get the big size ones. I had to get two of the smaller 235 grams. But normally you get the bigger croissants would work, but I had to get two of the small ones. And then icing sugar and milk. I forgot to get the milk. I'll have to get that after. Now, what do we need to cook? Of course, the air fryer. We need a pan that will fit in your air fryer. This one, luckily, it fits into our air fryer. I think it's about a 6-inch pan. Yeah, around the 6-inch pan. Yeah, it's about that. I think I've seen other people, they used, I think, an 8-inch and a bigger air fryer, but my air fryer's not that big. So, first thing we're going to do
is you're going to say thank you, Catherine's plate.
Well, okay, that's too. All right. We're just going to line our pan with tin foil. Yeah, if it doesn't, if you don't rip it, I'll try that over again. There. Line that up. You just want to take some cooking spray. And put it in there. Now, just going to set that over here. We're going to unroll our crescent rolls. Give her a whack. And they come out. Now, all we're going to do here is we're going to cut. I guess I'll open the other one too. We're going to cut these down into pieces. The other thing too is you don't want to take them out of the fridge too early because we don't want them quite warm. So what we're going to do, we're just going to chop down the middle here. Just like that. And then we're just going to chop down the middle again. Same thing with this one. And now we're just going to chop them into bite sizes. And we're just going to want to put them over here because we want them to stay in that bite size shape. actually I don't. You know, I went and opened that second one. I don't know if I'm gonna need it because I have a smaller pan. That's okay, I can just throw it in the bag and then I can cook them up later. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna that over to the side. Like I said, I may not need them. All we're gonna do is we're gonna place them in the bottom of the pan, and we're gonna leave. You want to leave some space in between the dough, and just kind of want to space them out. Now, what we want to do is you want to put the pie filling kind of in between the spaces. And then we're going to top off with the remaining, but what you want to do is you want to put these in the spots where that fruit is. So you don't want to put them on top of the other pieces. Alright, and then, once again, you want to fill up the empty holes, the voids, with your pie filling. Just like that. Now, this over, and we're going to put this in here. Down. And we're going to bake these from 12 to 16 minutes. What we're going to do is we'll cook them for 12 minutes first, and then we'll check to see how they are. That so in at 325. That's it. While that goes, we're gonna mix up a little bit of our icing sugar and some milk. It's not perfect, but it's got a few lumps. Okay, that is it. When these are done, we'll bring them out. We gotta let them cool a little bit. Then we'll add the topping to it, and we'll taste test. So we'll see in a bit. Okay, they are finished. Bring them out. Look at that. That looks yummy. But need to let them cool down before we add the topping onto it. So when we're ready to taste test it, I'll bring you over to the table. Okay, they're done. They look good. Smell good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, my wife said not to say anything, but I am. So the ones underneath didn't cook, but that's because I don't think I spaced them properly. Top ones cooked. And it's good. So, and I know when Catherine did it, she did it in a bigger pan, and she had spaced them out. So, I think it's just space them out, and probably maybe not as much pie filling.
Good though.
They're still good. Yeah. Or, if you're like me with a small one, I'd actually say pre-cook the bottom ones. Put the filling in, then put the uncooked top ones and cook the top layer. That would definitely work. Yeah, I mean, it's a recipe where you kind of adjust it the way you have to, depending on the size of air fryer you have and stuff like that. So it tastes really good. Excellent idea. Just like I said, it just and probably if you bake it in the oven,
Well,
it'd be different.
We can put it back in the oven.
But yeah, like I said, it's still good though. The top ones cooked nice. So it is kind of a trial by error when you're doing recipes, not quite using the bigger air fryers and stuff. So that is that's it, folks. That's the air fryer pie. Well, that's what I'm calling it. I used to call it something else, but it was a great recipe. Yeah. Anyways, as I always finish up my cooking show, I do not know what I'm going to make next week, but I'm sure Kelly will tell me. See you next week.
We're going to have guests next week.
That's right. We are going to have some guests next week. See ya. Okay. To say I redid it would be kind of a lie. Kelly redid it. I just went and picked up some more blueberries. So we redid it. So what Kelly did was she layered the bottom pan first, pre-cooked the crescent rolls, added the pie filling, then added the raw on top and recooked it. And it actually turned out much better. Now the ones on the below are soft, but they're not doughy, obviously.
Yeah.
And the top ones are crispy.
So see, I can bake.
Yeah, her arm's gonna be twisted.
Excuse me. It was me that said we're redoing this because I want it.
Whatever. All right. So that's it. Second round. Turned out good. All right, we'll see you next time.